Alright, so really quick, we're gonna try to make an acorn. So I have a little piece of fabric that I want to use for this, and a little egg. Okay, so the first attempt, I put the egg upside down. So you're gonna start with the egg pointing down. So just put this right into the middle. We're gonna do a little dab of glue. What we're gonna do is just grab and pull up and attach it to our egg. So the first part is simple. It's just a matter of just attaching your first little bit to your egg, and next we're just grabbing and just pulling it up right here. We're going to glue it onto the egg and just keep going all the way around the egg until all the fabric is glued. So just grabbing and pulling up around your egg. Now we have all of our fabric wrapped around our egg, and the little top, this is where we're going to wrap our twine to make it look like a little acorn top. So that's how it is so far. And I have some thicker twine here that I'm going to use, and I'm going to start about almost midway of our egg on the top and just start a little glue line and do our thick twine right on top of that. It's not quite in the middle, it's a little bit higher, and then just go all the way around the egg like that. So far. So like that. So now we can go all the way around our egg back to the other side. This just saves time so you don't have to keep picking up your glue gun. Just go ahead and go all the way around until you get back to the side where you started your glue line. We got our second layer, and we're just going to keep going that same method. We're almost to the top here. So we're just gonna go right on through until we have a little bitty space, because we're gonna add in a tiny little twig to it to be like the little topper for our acorn. So now we have this little bitty spot here. I'm gonna add in some hot glue, and I have this tiny little stick here. And we're just gonna stick that right on top into our glue and just wrap this as tightly as we can around. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim off my twine so that I can stuff it on into this little pocket here. So I just pushed it right on into the center there. So this is how it looks. This is how you don't do it, and this is how you do it. This is with the pointy bottom down and the round bottom down. So clearly this does not look exactly like an acorn as much as this one does. That's how it looks. So cute. I have a little fabric, and gonna keep grabbing from that and pulling it up. I have a little fabric. It's really loud. Okay. We're gonna cut off right here where it meets. No, we're not. Why am I gonna cut it off? Why would I cut it off? Oh my gosh. I just realized I used the wrong side of this egg.